Okay, everybody, so I am back for doing more reactions. So, we're going to be starting with today Nature Documentary Google Gaga by Ben Bros. So,
Deep in the mountains,
without further ado, guys, sorry for that, here we go.
deep in the mountains, far from any signs of human presence. At latitude 67, longitude 68, today's creatures are living. A ski-bob chicken sits in a tree, analyzing the movement routes of cockroaches. These are an excellent source of protein. At that moment, a strange sound is heard, and it's from today's creature. Goo Goo Gaga Santa. The creature, having Santa's head, is actually an insect, a spider.
Huh?
They mainly hunt
I don't think that
non-insects.
I don't think that
Through
exists.
Goo Goo Gaga sound waves, the creature knows which insects were naughty and which were good. Because of their Santa-like appearance, they're often thought to be slow. However, their burst speed is explosively fast, like a Ferrari. And that is why naughty insects are not in the safe zone, even when the creature is far away. The creatures have a variety of hunting methods: gift ambushes, web lures, and most importantly, tempting insects with the Goo Goo Gaga sound. The baby-like, pure Goo Goo Gaga voice, it's highly versatile. Males also use this sound to appeal to females, especially in mating seasons. Males vocalize Goo Goo Gaga to impress females. Drunken, hoarse, and overly husky sounds fail to appeal to the females.
Gaga.
The creature with the most normal sounding voice was
What?
chosen, and others do not agree with it. As time passed, spring arrived. A new life was born among the creatures, and the newborn lives are crying endlessly. And now, it's time to soothe them with Goo Goo Gaga. And that's scary goes.
What the hell was that? What in the hell was that? I am deeply confused, chat.